Yo, welcome back once more to my YouTube channel. You see, this is introduction to graphics design using Pixelab 2. Now, you see, the video I dropped, some of my students, the serious ones, so because I don't know whether you are serious. Some of my students were like, "Coach, you must complete that video. You must complete it." Now I must complete it. So I have to say, okay, now there is no challenge. I have to come back and so let me do this video so that I'll be able to complete it. Okay, so but do you know what, if you have not subscribed to this video, to this channel, I will have problem with you. Serious, I'll just have problem with you. So do ways to subscribe so that you will understand it. But if you don't subscribe, at a point you will be lost. So just subscribe, okay? All right, let us hit the point without wasting much of your time. Now the first thing I've already told you concerning this part, right? I've told you this one, this one is used to edit, to type something, delete, bring resources, undo, save, zoom, share, ruler, to check things that you have already designed, quotes, and to also check things that you have already designed as well. You can still see it there. Now I'm coming down here, like so. These tools here, they are very important. All these tools here, they are very important. So I'll also be teaching you so that to fulfill all righteousness. I don't want problem. All right, now see what will happen. You come over to this one, this sticker here. This one is sticker, right? To get sticker, so you can just come over there. There is some of the stickers there. You can still see stickers there. So this one is also to import. You get to bring in things as well. Just go straight to your gallery. So this one as well is to draw. I've already told you this one, right, in my previous video. So this one is shapes. I've also said this one. Base here is kind of let me show you an example. Maybe you want to cut something. You get, let me show you now. Let me even try it. I don't normally make use of this. You know, it's not everything. It's not everything that you will be making use of, though it's very necessary. Though it's very necessary. So maybe whenever I'm designing something, I'll use it and show you an example. Okay, so don't bother about that one. So this one is arrow. Can just bring all sort of arrow. You can see them, right? A lot of arrows. You can see them, right? So that is it. Now this one is I've shown you this one. Position. Maybe you are placing something and maybe you are not getting it. You know, if you are using CorelDRAW to design, there are some things that you use your mouse to pick or to decrease, but here you are using your hand, and I know that your finger is very bold. Your finger is bold. So now for you to pick something that is so tiny, or maybe to play something now that is so tiny, so all you have to do is what, you use this position. So when you use this position, you'll be able to use it to position things at any point you want it to be. You can see it, right? So you can see that it's going very slowly now, right? So that is the essence. Now this one is relative position. Now this one you have to centralize, or this one is part of alignment. It's either you centralize, you place it at the right hand side, at the left hand side. I don't know whether you are even seeing what I'm doing. Let me show you. For some people may be even funny safe. So just be looking at these things. So this one now, we still go back at the right hand side, right? So you can see it here. So that is that for it. So all those things there, you will be able to understand them very well once you are designing always. This one is relative size, is also paramount. So if you want to use relative size, you don't want to be using your hand. Maybe as a learner now, so you have to also be making use of all these things. This one is color, to change color of something. Same thing I've shown you now. Opacity, I've shown you now the sense of opacity. I've shown you filter. Turn something. Maybe it filters pictures, images. Let me use this one now. Let me filter this certificate. So you will see the color now. The color will change, right? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So that's the essence of filter, right? Sure. So that is it. This one is stroke. I've already say something concerning this stroke, right? Good. Mask. Mask is also a very powerful something. You can use it to mask images. You can see it, to cut images where you want them to cut. You can see it, right? The essence of it is very very simple. But now we have mask out, mask in. So you want to only be getting things that the shape that you got uh outside the this thing, maybe, yeah, something of that nature. So you'll be able to understand this thing very well if you are if and only if you are consistent. You get. So this one now is eraser. To erase something, you come over to eraser. So you have removed the background of this uh certificate now, right? You have removed it. So if you turn it off, you will still be seeing the background, right? So you can see, so to crown it, or you can still use eraser to remove what background in Pixelab, but sometimes it may not give you the best. You get. So that's the reason I always advise my students to download photo room or any background removing app. Yeah, so that is it. That, so let us check rotate. Use rotate to rotate something. You get. So this one is also good. You can still use your hand if you want. So 3D rotates to be in 3D form. So you can see it now. It will be down or up. You can see it, right? You can see it, right? So that is the essence of it. It's very fine, right? So another one there is 3D shape. You want to make this thing to be in 3D shape. You can see it, right? Oh my god, the certificate is now in 3D shape. You can see it, right? Okay, let me show you something now. 3D rotates. Oh my god, you can see the certificate is now in 3D shape. You can see it, right? Very very fine. So that is the essence of it. Now perspective, maybe you want it to be one side. This one is also tricks itself. So you can see it, right? You can see it. So at your spare time, you can just check all these things, okay? Yeah, this one is shadow. To put shadow in something, maybe you can see now there is shadow here, right? So if you want to change the color of the shadow, you'll be able to change them. Are you seeing it? Very fine. Another one is emboss. To emboss something. So as time goes on, you'll be understanding all these things. Maybe I'm just speaking parables. So that is it. So please, if you are here watching this video from YouTube here, you want to learn more, my number is always on the distant screen. So just type or like save the number and always chat me on WhatsApp. I'm always there to respond. Like, I'm always there to respond. Once I have the time opportunity to respond, I will always respond. Okay, so I'll show you all these things, right? So this one is transparent. You want to make what you are designing to be transparent. Now the color of the background, you want to change it to, so you can still change it. This one is image size. That thing I told you now, if you want to set the size, let me just show you now. This one now, let me set this one to 5,000. You see the size now, very small. Let me set it to 500. You see the size now, right? That's the size of the image background. So this one is stickers. All this thing, I don't normally make use of all these things, but if you also want to be making use of them, that one is your concern. So but my main concern is, if you have not subscribed, subscribe now. Like now. So that is it. So this one is background tools. Background, we call this one background tool, right? What is this one, safe? Let me ask question. I don't know whether you are paying attention. This one here, sorry, this one here is text tool, right? This one is what? Image tool. Why this one is what? Background tool. Don't forget these three things here, they are very very paramount. So do it to check others, okay? at least I've fulfilled all righteousness now. So if you have not subscribed up till now, like up till now, don't know your problem. Okay, I'll be leaving you. Thank you. God bless you. I am Coach John Ibe. I'm also known as J.SMART-DIGITALS. Thank you.